I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. Our highs tomorrow stay 10 to 15 degrees cooler than normal in the mid-70s to the low 80s. Thunderstorms that develop this late day and tomorrow across the eastern areas of Wyoming and Colorado may hold together as far east as the central locations during the evening and overnight. The weekend is slightly warmer with highs in the upper 70s to the mid-80s. Scattered thunderstorms are possible over the weekend, mostly during the evening and overnight as they develop across the panhandle and track to the east. Instability a little higher this weekend, and that may lead to marginally severe thunderstorms. A ridge of high pressure over Colorado and New Mexico strengthening for early next week, resulting in temperatures climbing back to more seasonal levels and decreasing rain chances. Highs warm from the 80s on Monday to the upper 80s to the mid-90s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Thunderstorm chances decrease to a slight chance for Monday night and Tuesday night. The long-term forecast calling for Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Tuesday through August 13th to be warmer than normal. Near normal to slightly below normal rainfall is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through August 13th. Continuing to see improvements in the regional drought monitor, Nebraska increased 6 percentage points to 38% of the state now being drought-free. The largest drought-free area is central Nebraska locations along and north of I-80 to the northeast, as well as Red Cloud to the southeastern corner, Perkins to much of Dundee County, and northern Cherry County. Abnormal dryness continues in much of west central to north central Nebraska. Coverage of moderate to severe drought dropping 2 percentage points to 34% of Nebraska, which includes many areas along and south of the line from Hayes Center to Plattsmouth and Ogallala into the Panhandle. Kansas increasing 15 percentage points to now 86% of the state being drought-free. There was a 2 percentage point drop to 5% of Kansas continuing in moderate to severe drought, which includes Oberlin to Phillipsburg and Concordia to Clay Center and Marysville. Key weather factors affecting the markets include heavy rain further decreasing drought in key crop areas of the U.S., dry areas in the eastern Black Sea region and central China, and increased rainfall for parts of the northern plains, Canadian prairies, and Australian wheat areas before the reproductive stage. A reprieve from heat and humidity occurs the next several days east of the Rockies, except across the deep south. Early next week, hot weather returns across the plains while temperatures rebound to more seasonal levels in many other areas. Lingering heat in the south is especially intense across the south central U.S., including much of Texas. Heavy rain and locally severe thunderstorms develop this late day across the mid-Atlantic, followed by a southward build in the heaviest of rain. 5-day rainfall could reach 2 to 6 inches across the lower southeast, including northern Florida, southern Georgia, and the coastal Carolinas. Scattered rain and thunderstorms also affect the plains and northwest the next several days. For the Midwest, there was a decrease in drought in the latest drought monitor. Towards the central and southern plains, rain returning in a couple of waves this weekend, possibly into early next week, continues the mostly favorable conditions for corn and soybeans. Across the northern plains, rain continues to build soil moisture, favoring corn and soybeans but not maturing wheat that could see a decrease in quality. In the Canadian prairies, increasing rain is too late for the mature crops in the south and damaged crops across the north. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.